Hello, I just wanted to show you some old school gadgets. So I'm going to show you this HP Yonata 680 and as you can see, this comes in this cradle with steel holder, and you press this button to release it, and it has a slot for CF card, battery and recorder, room for stereo, CF card, ER port, and here we have the modem, pretty neat, fold in, fold out, and power cord, and we have this steel cradle to set it in with a little hole. And as you can see, this is an old unit because my backup battery is used up, but I can use it in my cradle, and it's actually not as old school as you would think. It has full keyboard, but like we Scandinavian like it, with the Scandinavian cases on it, and the old Windows CE board and some extra buttons out here on the side to make options in the computer on the camera. And all the normal things you know from the old Windows CE, but actually very cool, very funny old gadget.